In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules and automations in Asana to streamline your workflows efficiently. Creating rules and automations in Asana is a fantastic way to boost your workflow efficiency. By reducing manual work, you ensure that tasks move smoothly through your projects. So let's dive into how you can create these rules and automations to make your work life just a bit easier. First things first, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you haven't already, log in to access your dashboard. In case you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can simply click on Get Started or Try for free to set up one. Once you're all logged in, navigate to the project where you wish to create a rule. This is the starting point for setting up automation specific to that project. Next, look for the Customize button located in the top right corner of your project page. Click on it and scroll down until you find the Rules section. There, you'll see an option to add a new rule. Go ahead and click on Add Rule to open up the possibilities of creating either a custom or preset automation. Now, if you're wondering what kind of rules to create, Asana makes it easy by offering a selection of preset rules. These include common automation tasks, like automatically assigning a task whenever it moves to a specific section of your project. But if none of these presets meet your needs, you can opt to create a custom rule. To do that, click on Create Custom Rule. Moving forward, you need to set up your rule with specific criteria. Begin by selecting a trigger. The trigger is the event that will start the automation. For example, you could choose a scenario like task moves to a section. After deciding on a trigger, it's time to decide on the outcome. This is defined by choosing an action. What happens once the trigger occurs? A common example would be assign the task to a specific person. For even more precise control over when your rule activates, you can choose to add multiple conditions. This allows you to refine and narrow down the exact scenarios under which the rule should run, making sure it fits perfectly with your project needs. Now that you've selected your trigger action and any additional conditions, it's time to finalize your rule. To do this, click on Create Rule. Once you've saved and activated your rule, it becomes functional immediately, automating tasks according to the conditions you specified. By following these steps, you're all set to enhance your project productivity with tailored automations that keep your workflow smooth and efficient. Happy automating!